Hi everyone, I am filming a kind of different video today. I am going to be trying snacks from New Zealand. My friend Courtney lives in New Zealand and she put together this really cute box full of snacks for me to try. Courtney actually started out like as a subscriber, but she reached out to me like several months ago about just a makeup question that she had, and then we just got to talking, and we talk literally like every day now. Like, we are such good friends. She's become like a really good friend of mine, and I'm actually going to New York in February to meet her, and I'm like beyond excited about this. I think it's just so incredible that like I just clicked so well with someone who literally lives like across the world, and we are going to meet each other in February, and it is going to be a freaking blast. But she did put together this giant box of snacks, and I'm so excited to get into it. But Courtney also included a Google Doc of all of the little snacks and little notes about them. So actually it does say New Zealand and Australia, but mostly New Zealand, and she actually did tell me to say that because she didn't want people to be angry about the video. Oh my gosh, these look so yummy. So this is the first thing that I see, and these are toffee pops. Luxurious caramel toffee smothered in creamy milk chocolate. What the hell? Why have I not been eating these like years ago? Okay, Griffin's Original Toffee Pops, my favorite biscuits at the moment. She also left a note at the bottom, says, I think Americans call scones biscuits and biscuits cookies, so you may get confused when trying these. So these would be an American cookie. I cannot wait. My mouth is watering. Oh my god, the caramel is like seeping out of it. Where can I buy these? Where can I buy more? Oh my god. Okay, we really started out on a high note. Like, I could see why these would be your favorite biscuits at the moment. I'm a big fan. I took a peek at Courtney's list, and there were some things that I needed to prepare on there. Like, there are instructions for me in here, so I just wanted to get that sorted. I did prepare myself a mug of Milo, classic New Zealand taste, and her instructions for this was to boil some water in a jug. I just used the microwave. Put 2 teaspoons of Milo in a mug along with 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then pour the hot water about 2/3 in the mug. Stir and fill the rest of the cup with milk. I did not use actual milk, I used almond milk. I'm really sorry if that's like a big no-no, but we honestly didn't have any actual milk in the house. We're not like big milk drinkers. This kind of tastes like watery chocolate milk. I don't know. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just like, it's like weird. Like, I don't know what the purpose of it is. Oh wow, your nutritional facts, your nutritional information is like weird to read. So also the reason why I made myself this cup of Milo, am I saying that right? I don't know, is because I also wanted to try next these Tim Tam biscuits, cookies, and she says you need to try the Tim Tam Slim while having a coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. Bite both ends of the Tim Tam off and use it as a straw to suck some of the drink, then quickly pop it in your mouth and experience the chocolate heaven. That's like very, I don't know how I'm going to use this as a straw. This smells good. Oh my gosh. I have seen Tim Tams like in our grocery store, but like in the international part of our grocery store, but I have seen these or something like it. Okay, delicious. I would eat this by itself. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need to position my fingers just right for this. Courtney, what the heck? How am I supposed to do this? How do I suck this in? Okay, that was weird. Okay, that's why. That is delicious. I wish I could do it again more gracefully, but I don't think I could, so I'm gonna eat like one more of these off camera. Okay, who figured this out? Who did this? Wow, oh my god. Who thought like, oh man, like try sucking some milk up with a cookie? Like, who thought of that? Pascal? Puscall. I'm gonna say Puscall. These are the Puscall milk bottles. She wrote a little thing about that. One of my favorite lollies when I was younger. Still love them. Okay, they just smell like gummies. These are a bit boring, but I could see how someone would like sit and eat several of these in a row, you know? And they're like a soft gummy too, so they're like easy to chew. I don't know about these. Warning, please don't consume Puscall milk bottles with actual milk bottles filled with real milk. They might look similar, but they don't work so well on your cornflakes. Oh, so don't use a cereal? Is that what they're trying to say? Are they trying to be funny? There's also some of these Pascal. Oh, I feel dumb. But pineapple lumps. She says, standard kiwi lolly. I'm not a fan though, haha, but you should try them. I kind of feel like I will be a fan of these because I really like pineapple and I also really like fruit covered in chocolate. I hope this is chocolate. It doesn't say otherwise. Yep, chocolate. Oh. This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting like a dried fruit situation, but this is more like a banana Laffy Taffy with chocolate, like covered in chocolate. Yeah, same Courtney. I'm so about these, but I don't know. I think I do like them more than the milk bottles though. I think I do like these a little bit more. I'm just chewing with my mouth open. I'm sorry. Like, that just, it just is what it is. So these are pink smokers. On the bag, it says Grandpa's recipe, and I think that's freaking hilarious. Like, who's Grandpa? Oh, it's Joseph Stacy. That's cool. Good for him. There's only like 3 ingredients in here. So she writes, classic kiwi lolly. Haven't had these in literal years. I don't know what you mean by kiwi, like, because kiwi is a fruit. Like what, how would you define a kiwi lolly? I messed up the freaking bag. Oh, these smell weird, Courtney. They smell like minty bubblegum. What are these supposed to be? What? What are these? They taste like a candy, but they also taste like they're supposed to be like a breath mint. Like, they kind of taste like a grandpa. Like, what? These are weird. I'm gonna have to. I don't know about them. So this is the original chocolate chunk cookie. Courtney writes, classic New Zealand cookie. You can find them everywhere. Used to get them a lot as a kid from Dairies, which is a corner store. Okay, she's crumbly. She's hard. Okay, that's just a regular cookie. I honestly don't think anything is going to beat these. Like, I'm not over how good these taste. So right here are the Spaceman fruit sticks, and these are flavored raspberry and banana. They used to have a real red strip around one of the ends, and children in New Zealand would pretend we were badass and would smoke the lollies. Oh my god, a cute little cig to match my pink sweatshirt. These taste very familiar. I definitely don't mind these. I'm gonna try the banana one, I'm assuming. I like that these are like hard but soft at the same time. Like they kind of melt in your mouth. I like these. Do they sell packs of only the raspberry? Because I would be interested in that. So this is the Whitakers peanut slab. She writes, quote, "Popular chocolate brand in New Zealand. I'm not a huge fan, but this is a staple," end quote. This feels like a hefty chunk of chocolate. Oh my god, this is like a chunk of chocolate. Do I just bite it? This is good. It just tastes like a chocolate bar. Like it tastes like a chocolate bar with peanuts in it. It's good though. So she did put Marmite in here, which there's a Vegemite, isn't there? Unless it's the same thing. I don't know. I don't know much about that at all, but I know that this is like supposed to be a gag. Like this is, like she writes, the cream of the crop. Haha, nah. To try this, first get a Huntley and Palmer's cream cracker, and then she says to put some butter spread on the cracker, and then on top of that a smaller amount of Marmite than the butter spread, and eat. I also dare you to try Marmite by itself. I have to go grab some butter really quick. So I'm gonna try the little cracker by itself. Okay, honestly, I'm about to tell you guys that I don't think I'm gonna find this to be like too gross. I eat a lot of like weird things. We'll see. I'm putting the butter spread on. Oh shit. Ugh. So I put some butter on my little cracker, and then I'm taking just a little bit of the Marmite. So it looks like this. Okay, is this like really salty, or is it just because I literally ate like 2 pounds of sugar? I'm not sure. This kind of tastes like something you would want to have on like a brisket. Are you joking me? She wants to get in the butter so bad. Okay, this kitten's really sad. Like, it makes me so sad. Someone chopped her tail off. Can you believe that? All right, I'm gonna try it again on a bigger piece. I am definitely getting like heaps and heaps of butter. What is this? Like, what is it supposed to be? Go ahead, dig in. Is that supposed to be a joke? I'll be honest, I don't hate it. I don't understand the point of eating it on a cracker. I am curious to see like if people use this in cooking, because I could totally see using it like to season meat with, or maybe like to use as like a soup base or something. She did say, I dare you to try it on its own, so I'm about to. Oh my god, it's burning my cold sore. It's really, really salty. That was kind of like a shock after eating all of that sweet stuff. I'm not gonna give any to you, girl, because it would be too much. But that is all the snacks. Thank you so freaking much, Courtney, for sending these to me. This was a lot of fun. I cannot wait to share these with my family too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this very different kind of video. Look at how cute these little babies are. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.